I begin this presentation regarding Australian services by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land. I would like to pay respects to elders past and present. If watching this presentation raises concerns for you, please call Lifeline on 13 11 14. A 24/7 crisis support service to all Australians experiencing personal or emotional distress, or Aboriginal and Torres Straits Islanders can call 13 Yarn on 13 92 76. A 24/7 national crisis support service staffed by Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people.
This presentation is about health, medical and disability services that can be found across Australia.
The next World Health Day is the 7th of April 2025.
Synapse, Australian Brain Injury Organisation, 1800673074. Supports people impacted by brain injury. Check out personal stories and the Brain Bank podcast. Peer support groups. For more info, synapse.org.au. Brainwave, 1300766819. Supports families and children with brain injury and illness to adapt and thrive. Offers programs such as Equipment and Therapies Program, the Camp Brainwave, and the Kids and SIBS School Holiday Program. For more info, brainwave.org.au.
Brain Injury Awareness Week, 19th to 25th August 2024.
Heart Foundation, 13 11 12. Learn the risks, causes, symptoms and treatments of coronary heart disease, heart attack, angina, heart failure and more. The National Heart Foundation of Australia is developing a 25-year vision. Read the Vision 2050. Did you know? A 20-minute heart health check with your GP will help you understand your risk of a heart attack in the next 5 years. Since 2019, heart health checks have been covered by Medicare and are free at practices that bulk bill this service. www.heartfoundation.org.au. Heart Kids. Helpline 1800432785. Provides support and guidance for anyone affected by childhood heart disease. Podcast. New episode every fortnight. Featuring cardiologists, experts and people from the community sharing their stories. Learn about the Heartbeat and Care Back programs in children's hospitals around the country. Find out about the Upbeat app for teens. www.heartkids.org.au.
World Heart Day, the 29th of September 2024.
Liver Foundation, 1300454837. Learn how the liver works, how to protect your liver, and when to see the doctor about your liver. Find out the stages of liver disease, autoimmune hepatitis, biliary atresia, cirrhosis, fatty liver disease, Gilbert syndrome, liver cancer, liver failure, liver lesions, Wilson's disease. Did you know? The liver weighs just over 1 kilogram. If your liver doesn't make bile normally or if the flow from the liver is blocked, your bowel movements will look pale like the color of clay. High doses of vitamin A from supplements can be a problem for your liver. liver.org.au.
The next World Liver Day is the 19th of April 2025.
Kidney Health Australia, 1800454363. Free support questions or concerns about their kidney health or diagnosis. Explains different types of kidney diseases, the causes, symptoms and range of treatment options. Take the kidney risk test online to understand your risk of kidney disease. Results instantly. First Nations Australians Resources Library. Download resources. Understanding kidney stones. Learn about the Kidney Car Rally, the Kidney Kids Camp, Transplant House Program, Big Red Kidney Bus Program. Check out the Kidney for Youth program for a chance to join in-person and online events. kidney.org.au. Did you know? Kidney stones can cause pain that is worse than childbirth. Someone who is born with one kidney or loses a kidney to disease can still live a healthy, normal life.
The next Kidney Action Week is 11th to 17th May 2025.
The Gut Foundation undertakes medical research to understand the causes of gut problems better and further develop methods of prevention and treatment. Learn all about your gut, small and large intestines. The Gut Foundation. Learn all about the common conditions that cause stomach pain, gastroenteritis, stomach ulcers, gastric reflux, gallstones, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticular disease. Check out the resource library. Download a range of free ebooks. Suffering from gastrointestinal conditions or discomfort? See your GP, who will be able to discuss your issues and, if necessary, refer you to a gastroenterologist. Check out gutfoundation.com.au.
Gut Health Day is the 23rd of September 2024.
Musculoskeletal Australia. National Arthritis and Back Pain Helpline. 1-8002632265. Supports people with arthritis and musculoskeletal conditions. Learn the types of musculoskeletal conditions and how you can manage to live with your condition. Read the 84-page ebook, Managing Your Pain. Check out the MSK Community Webinar Series. Go to Teen Talk, an online chat room for teens with arthritis and other musculoskeletal conditions. Did you know? Children get arthritis. The worst pain in the world. Author Nikki Johnston. A children's book tells the story of Bella, who's living with juvenile arthritis. Order a free copy of this book, postage additional, or watch the animated video of the book. msk.org.au.
Rattle Yar Bones Day aims to raise awareness of the impact of muscle, bone and joint conditions on the lives of those who live with them. The 31st of October 2024.
Australian Thyroid Foundation. Learn all about the thyroid gland, the causes, treatments, the different types of thyroid conditions, types of thyroid cancers, Hashimoto's and Graves' disease, pregnancy and thyroid disorders, iodine deficiency, congenital hyperthyroidism, and much more. Access information on thyroid treatments and medication to manage your thyroid effectively. thyroidfoundation.org.au.
May is Thyroid Awareness Month.
Dementia Australia. 1-8001000500. Offers free professional counselling to those with dementia and their carers. Learn the signs, symptoms, diagnosis, causes and types of dementia. Browse the digital library to get free access to ebooks and audiobooks. Did you know? Young children and teenagers can develop dementia. www.dementia.org.au.
Dementia Week. 16th to 22nd September 2024.
Parkinson's. Learn the causes, early warning signs, stages of Parkinson's, medications and treatments. www.parkinsons.org.au. Support groups. Connect with support groups via the support line on 1-8006444189. You will be directed to the Parkinson's organization in your state or territory.
The 11th of April 2025 is the next World Parkinson's Disease Day. 2025 Parkinson's Australian National Conference. The 6th of April 2025 to the 8th of April 2025. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Convention Centre Canberra, ACT. Exploring research into the causes, prevention, treatments, daily living, well-being and ultimately a cure for Parkinson's. Also, join for a conference dinner. Monday, the 7th of April 2025. 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. For more information and to register for tickets, www.obby.com.au/event/Parkinson's25.
Vitiligo Clinics Australia. 1300932100. Providing access to specialist plans and treatments outside of capital cities. Learn all about the types, symptoms, causes, treatments and recovery of vitiligo. Why does vitiligo happen? When does it stop spreading? Coping with vitiligo and so forth. vitiligoclinics.com.au.
The next World Vitiligo Day. The 25th of June 2025.
Multiple sclerosis, MS. 1300010158. Learn about the types of MS. How MS is diagnosed and methods of diagnosis. Check out the Raw Nerve podcast and video library regarding MS. Read interviews with those in the community living with MS. Did you know? MS affects more young adults than any other acquired chronic neurological disease. www.msaustralia.org.au. The MS Readathon is all about kids helping kids. 1300677323. Children are challenged to read as much as they can in August and raise funds for kids who have a parent living with multiple sclerosis. Money raised goes towards helping those living with MS and other neurological conditions by funding MS family camps and other vital programs. To learn more on how to organize a readathon for your child, www.msreadathon.org.au. MS Plus 1300042138 offers free peer support program for people affected by multiple sclerosis to connect and support each other face-to-face, over the phone or virtually. For support groups in your area, contact MS Plus. Check out the Resource Hub. Podcasts, webinars, and articles feature the latest information with expert advice. For more info about MS Plus, visit www.msplus.org.au.
The next World Multiple Sclerosis Day is the 30th of May 2025.
The Obesity Collective. Transforming the way our society thinks, speaks and acts on obesity. The key facts about the reality of obesity. Understanding obesity. Developing a plan for weight management. How to talk about weight and health in a supportive way. Learn all about the 3 surgical options. Gastric sleeve. Gastric bypass. Adjustable gastric band. You can complete a 1-hour e-learning module on understanding the science and reality of obesity.
The next World Obesity Day. The 4th of March 2025.
Sleep Health Foundation offers fact sheets on all types of sleep disorders, insomnia, childhood snoring, sleep apnea, idiopathic hypersomnia and many more. Learn about napping, sleepwalking, etc. Learn all about the sleep study medical test. Check out videos on sleep stories. Sleeping tips for new mothers and tips to help baby sleep better. Healthy sleep practices for shift workers. www.sleephealthfoundation.org.au.
Sleep Health Week. The 5th of August to the 9th of August 2024.
Epilepsy Action Australia. 1300374537. Learn the causes and management plan for epilepsy. Check out the videos on epilepsy. Read about lifestyle changes and adjustments to life with epilepsy. Epilepsy Act offers e-learning and blended courses. Epilepsy Action Australia Online Academy offers a wide range of courses from an introduction to epilepsy and seizure first aid to several comprehensive training courses. www.epilepsy.org.au.
Walk for Epilepsy. 1st to 25th October 2024. Fundraising event to support people living with epilepsy. You can participate by signing up, setting your own kilometers and fundraising targets. More info and registration. www.epilepsywa.asn.au/events.
Cerebral Palsy Alliance. Watch videos explaining the different types of cerebral palsy and how cerebral palsy impacts people. Listen to podcasts about cerebral palsy. Find out about youth programs, center-based day programs and home and community programs. Available in locations across Sydney, Newcastle and the Central Coast. Phone 1300888378 or visit cerebralpalsy.org.au.
Cerebral Palsy Day, the 6th of October 2024.
DS, Down Syndrome Australia. 1300881935. Learn how DS is diagnosed. What it is like living with DS. Read and watch personal stories from those who have DS. Employment can fulfill the need for people living with DS to be productive and independent. Learn about the different work and support options available within the national employment system. www.downsyndrome.org.au.
The next World Down Syndrome Day, the 21st of March 2025.
Diabetes Australia. 1800177055. Learn the causes, symptoms, management, care and treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes and gestational diabetes. Check out the diabetes support groups in your area. Did you know? Looking after your feet is an important part of staying healthy for those with diabetes. www.diabetesaustralia.com.au.
World Diabetes Day, the 14th of November 2024.
Autism Spectrum Australia. 1800277328. www.aspect.org.au. Check out the fact sheets. Understanding autism. Life with an autistic sibling. Autistic burnout. Dietary interventions for autism. Tackling bullying and much more. Blogs. Webinar and workshops. E-books. Podcasts. Learn about the satellite class operated by an Aspect school. Offers autism distance education. A program for students on the autism spectrum.
The next Autism Awareness Day, the 2nd of April 2025. www.autismawareness.com.au.
Free online course for educators. Complete course, approximately 3 to 4 hours. Navigating autism. The early years. The 8-module video course offers strategies that educators of all ages, stages and backgrounds can implement into their day-to-day teaching. For more information and enrollment, contact Autism Awareness Australia 1300900681 or visit navigating-autism.teachable.com. Stroke Foundation 1800787653. Learn the FAST signs of stroke. The signs, tests and treatment of a TIA. Childhood stroke. What to expect after a stroke. Emotional, personality and communication changes and how to manage changes. strokefoundation.org.au. Did you know? Stroke can happen at any age. More than 80% of strokes can be prevented. You can't drive for 2 weeks after a TIA. If you have a commercial driver's license, you can't drive for 4 weeks.
National Stroke Week, 5th to 11th August 2024. Stride for Stroke, 1300194196. Fundraising event. Run, swim, skip, hike, walk, stretch, lift or even set a movement target with your physio in stroke recovery or rehabilitation from injury. Register. www.strideforstroke.org.au. 1st to 30th November 2024.
Enable Me. Online stroke community that provides support to stroke survivors in the months and years after stroke. Listen to podcasts and watch videos. Join forums and blogs. A variety of exercise videos featuring stroke survivors as well as information about diet with step-by-step recipes to help you eat well after a stroke. Check out younger people living with the impact of stroke. enableme.org.au. Inform Me. For health professionals. Resources to improve the treatment of stroke care. Membership is offered to health professionals working in stroke care, including those currently studying. Access webinars, e-learning. informme.org.au. Asthma Australia. 1800278462. Call the free information and support service to speak with an asthma educator about your asthma, weekdays 9 to 5. Learn the causes and triggers of asthma, the medicines and devices. Watch webinars and videos. View the asthma first aid instructions and the asthma action plans. Did you know? Thunderstorms, gas appliances, dust mites, mold, deodorant, and perfume are among the few things that can cause an asthma attack. asthma.org.au.
The next World Asthma Day. The 7th of May 2025.
Deaf Australia. Watch Auslan Indigenous Sign Language webinars. Learn about the Shaw Young Writers Competition. To encourage deaf and hard of hearing young people to express themselves creatively through writing and storytelling. Check out Auslan online shop. deafaustralia.org.au.
The National Week of Deaf People is a week-long national celebration of deaf individuals and the Australian deaf community, including the International Week of Deaf People. 23rd to 29th September 2024. deafaustralia.org.au/NWDP. The next Auslan Day. The 13th of April 2025.
Deaf Connect. Provider and social impact organisation for deaf, deafblind and hard of hearing Australians. Offers education. Beginners Auslan classes. Classes for parents wishing to learn Auslan for their deaf or hard of hearing children. Offers iPad and digital skills courses for seniors. Contact Deaf Connect via Auslan when opening the website or find the phone number to your nearest head office. deafconnect.org.au. Deaf Children Australia. 1800645916. Download posters of numbers in the alphabet and colouring sheets. Learn about the Puggle Swim program. Learn about the Parent Mentor program and online meetups. www.deafchildrenaustralia.org.au. Deaf Blind Australia. 0427006890. SMS or voicemail. Learn about the senses, sensory loss and causes of deafblindness. Provides workshops to the deafblind community. Check out the stories of people living with vision and hearing impairments. www.deafblind.org.au. Vision Australia. Understanding eye conditions. From symptoms to treatments. If you are struggling with your vision and glasses are no longer working, give the Vision Australia team of experts a call. 1300847466. Video Library has audio and braille books, newspapers, magazines, and podcasts for people who are blind, have low vision or live with a print disability. Provides products including manual and electronic braille for producing braille documents. Special paper for printing any braille embosser. Braille translation software for converting text to braille format. Learn about desktop, portable and wearable magnifiers. Vision Australia has orthoptists and optometrists to provide training and support on how to use your magnifier. www.visionaustralia.org. Learn all about the Seeing Eye Dog program. A Seeing Eye Dog undergoes 6 months of training. The dog is then matched with a client. The client then receives training from a Seeing Eye Dog instructor. Vision Australia needs volunteer puppy carers. If interested in the Seeing Eye Dog program, reach out. 1800422007 or for more info, visit sed.visionaustralia.org.
The next World Braille Day. the 4th of January 2025.
Able Australia 1300225369 offers a broad range of high-quality services to help those with a disability. Discover day programs and centre-based day programs for those with a disability. Auslan tutorial videos. ableaustralia.org.au NDIA 1800800110 The National Disability Insurance Agency. Government-appointed organisation managing the NDIS, helps with how the NDIS can work for you, your eligibility for funding, and how you can access that funding. NDIS 1800800110 The NDIS is only available to people who have a disability caused by a permanent impairment, such as intellectual, cognitive, neurological, sensory, physical, or psychosocial. You will receive funding annually to purchase services and support. You then have the option to self-manage and claim directly from the NDIS, or you can have some help to manage the plan and funding. www.ndis.gov.au
International Day of Persons with Disability, the 3rd of December 2024.
Butterfly Foundation. Support for eating disorders and body image issues. National Helpline 1800334673 or web chat via website. 8 a.m. until midnight. 7 days a week. Tips for creating a healthy body image. Read about all the different kinds of eating disorders. Suggestions for eating disorder recovery. Learn about support groups, support programs. Listen to webinars. Read personal stories. Use the screening tool to see if you are experiencing symptoms of eating disorders. Butterfly.org.au Be kind and patient with yourself.
Body Image and Eating Disorders Awareness Week. Raise awareness of body image concerns and eating disorders. 4th to 10th September 2024.
Teeth.org.au Learn about tooth decay, wisdom teeth, dentures, dental implants, braces, gum disease, flossing, dealing with sensitive teeth, tips on cleaning your tongue and other oral health topics. Auslan Resources. These videos aim to make oral health and dental treatments easy to understand for the deaf community. Did you know? Your toothbrush should be replaced every 3 months and after having a cold, the flu or a sore throat. Learn about the treatments available for oral health care, fillings, crowns, veneers, root canal treatments, tooth extractions, braces and teeth whitening treatment. Use the search tool to find a dentist near you. www.teeth.org.au Mob Smiles. Resources and articles created for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Australians. Provide information on how to care for your teeth and gums and habits to keep good mouth health. There are posters, brochures and fact sheets for bubbers, teenagers, pregnant women, and elders. Check out the artwork story, read articles and watch videos on oral care. www.teeth.org.au/mob-smiles.
Dental Week. 5th to 11th August 2024.
National Association of People with HIV Australia 1800259666 Check out how you can get a free HIV test kit delivered to your home and get your results within 15 minutes. You can read personal stories. One woman tells her story of being diagnosed with HIV during the COVID lockdown in 2020. Learn the life expectancy of someone with HIV. Find out how AIDS develops from HIV. There are several strategies available to prevent HIV. Watch past webinars. All about the HIV medicine, ART. Understanding the legal needs of people with HIV. More info. napwha.org.au Did you know? HIV is not passed on sexually when the person with HIV is on treatment and has an undetectable viral load. HIV is not spread by kisses, hugs, or sharing food.
World AIDS Day. The 1st of December 2024.
Cancer Council 131120. A free, confidential phone support service in each state and territory. Downloadable PDF info, coping with a cancer diagnosis, living with cancer, after cancer treatment, nutrition and cancer, and many other resources. Learn the signs and symptoms of cancer. Unusual lumps or swelling. Changes in bowel habits. Unexpected bleeding. New mole or changes to a mole. Read the Australian 10-Year Cancer Plan 2023 to 2033. Get an understanding of the different types of cancers. Get an understanding of cancer tests, scans and treatments. Find meditation and relaxation podcasts and browse other cancer-related episodes. Learn about practical and financial assistance. Did you know? The left breast is more likely to develop cancer than the right breast. The left side of the body is also 10% more prone to melanoma. The types of cancers that affect children tend to be different to the cancers that affect adults. Only 5 to 10% of all cancers are entirely hereditary. There are over 28 million cancer survivors worldwide.
The next World Cancer Day, the 4th of February 2025.
Starlight Children's Foundation helps kids of all ages regardless of disability, injury or illness, because what happens in childhood lasts a lifetime. 1300727827. Learn about wish granting. Find out about Captain Starlight, who brightens the lives of children in major, metropolitan, regional and rural hospitals across Australia. Starlight helps sick kids forget their illness and rediscover the joy of childhood. Learn about Livewire Online, a safe, supportive community that's just for teenagers living with illness or disability. It's there for teens 24/7 across Australia and New Zealand. www.starlight.org.au. Camp Quality 1300662267 brings positivity, fun and laughter back into the lives of kids facing cancer. Offers programs, family camps, kids camps, virtual camps, family retreats, digital puppet playdates. Check out the Kids Guide to Cancer section. Age-appropriate cancer education for kids up to 15 years old. Read the news and personal stories. www.campquality.org.au. 13 Sick, Australian licensed doctors. Medicare bulk billed after-hours services. 137425. Telehealth home visits. Aged care, e-prescriptions. Emergency referrals. Available Monday through Friday before 8 a.m. and after 6 p.m. Saturdays before 8 a.m. and after 12 p.m. Sundays and public holidays, 24 hours. 13sick.com.au. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to be notified of the next presentation in this series.